Bakit biglang umaatras ang client mo kahit mukhang interested naman sila? Kasi baka minamadali mo ang closing. A lot of salespeople make this mistake. Pag nakitang medyo interested ang client, diretso agad sa, "So, kukunin nyo na po ba? Ready na po mag-proceed? Payment na po tayo?" Kung hindi pa 100% clear ang client, those questions create pressure. At kapag na-pressure ang tao, umaatras yan. So before you close, ask better questions first. Use these 3 questions to check if they are actually ready. Number 1. Sir, ma'am, based sa napag-usapan natin, alin po dito yung pinaka-important sa inyo? This tells you exactly what they value. Number 2. May part pa po ba na gusto niyong mas linawin before tayo mag-proceed? This gives them a safe space to reveal hidden doubts or objections. Number 3. Kung ma-address natin yung concern na yan, comfortable na po ba kayong mag-decide? This smoothly moves the conversation closer to a commitment without forcing it. See the difference? Hindi ka nanguhula. Hindi ka nagtutulak. Ginagabayan mo sila. Because closing is not about forcing a yes. Closing is about making sure your client is clear, safe, and ready. Kaya bago mo itanong kung bibili na sila, itanong mo muna kung ano pa ang humahadlang sa kanila. Try this on your next client.